It is time to harvest the sweet potato plants. Now I just did my last set and a lot of insects and rodents probably got to it. So I'm a little concerned honestly, but there's only one way to really find out how bad it is. Get right down into it. The strawberries have escaped the containers.
Yep, I see that. They escaped under cover of sweet potato.
Another one that's eaten.
Well, at least you know you are single-handedly increasing the nutritional profile of all the rodents in the area.
This one is like a hole. I don't know if we really want that one. Looks like more like an insect hole though, not like a rodent chewing hole. Hey, can you bring the bucket over?
Yeah.
Aha! Our first intact spud.
Yay! Get in the bucket, babies!
Okay, I got him over here. This one's a little chewed on, but we can cut him off.
Save him, yeah. Like a circumcision, except for potatoes.
Alright, got another one here.
Yay! We're almost filled up the first bucket.
Right. Good, well I guess there was just too much for them to all go around. This one's a little weird, but I think we can just cut the top off.
Yeah.
Here, if you hold, no, just hold the bucket. I'll cut your finger. There you go.
Lots of starch in him.
Which one?
All that, see that white milky stuff?
Yeah.
That's the potato starch.
Right. That's what gets our pan super sticky.
Yeah, what ruined that bucket last year. Yay,
Right.
twins!
Like two big potato balls.
Right? Okay, I'm getting us a new bucket.
All right. I am definitely feeling good now. Let me just check the camera.
Sure. You want me to stand so you can see what's in frame?
No, that's all right. All right, we got a big one.
Yeah.
Oh no, fumble! Come back. All right, now here's a huge one.
That's a nice store-sized potato right there.
No, I'll show you a nice store-sized potato.
That's a good
Damn.
one.
Jeez. Cut its umbilical cord off.
Right? Damn, look at that starch. These are gonna be some sweet fucking potatoes.
Oh, we got another big one.
We've yet to come across the mother tato.
Right. I think we're getting close.
Trim them.
Huh?
So we can trim that hole.
Oh shit. This one got this one good.
Oh, tragic.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, funeral potato.
Maybe it would make a good replanting potato. I don't know.
Yeah, I have no data.
Oh, this one's pretty good.
Yeah. Alright, they were sacrificed. The larger may live.
We got another one here.
Man, we're only a quarter of the way through this bed, too.
Yeah.
Teeny tato!
Yeah, I think we're gonna get a good harvest this year, even.
Yeah, this
even
is
with
always
some casualties.
This is always the chosen bed. This one always does better.
Well, I choose this bed as it gets more sunlight, and I put the better performing spuds in it.
Right. Okay.
So many. I have to kind of pull up the vines as I do it.
Yeah.
Alright, here's another one.
Alright, that's our
Alright.
second bucket.
Alright. Finally put a dent in there. That's only one little corner.
Right? We already got like 2 pounds or 2 like, bags of potatoes basically. We gotta weigh them when we go inside.
Pounds, yeah. No, this one's got holes.
Aww. Wait, you are?
No, you're okay.
I wanna see the birthing.
Okay.
This is the only context in which that's true for. Although seeing my cat give birth wasn't that weird. I see a dangler.
Yeah. Down there. Alright.
Oh,
What?
that's a big one, but I see a little one.
Over here.
Yeah.
Alright, we got another one when you're ready.
Yeah. Get my bogdan. You got a little hole, but it looks like a bug hole we can turn.
Oh my gosh, so many white flies.
Right?
They're not what eat this. They're too small for this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Rows of shit. Yeah. This is too much, I'm afraid.
No, yeah, I think gotta go. He landed in the strawberry bucket. No free rides, fella.
Thank you.
I see one.
Where?
Dead ahead.
Oh, there we go. How big is it, right? It's like an iceberg.
Right?
I have no idea how big it is.
How far down does it go?
Pretty big.
Yeah! That's a good sized spud.
Another. Oh, it's all.
Oh, fucking damn it. Goddamn
We'll
rodents.
set them to the side, and if they don't rot and die, if they heal themselves, I'll just save them as
Planters?
Yeah, planters for next year.
Yeah, okay.
That way, kind of everything has a use, you know?
Right, yeah.
Whew. Hard work, but feeds me for a year of sweet potatoes, so
Right?
I'll take it. Have to climb in.
Alright. Let me get you some scuba gear to go sweet potato diving. We already got the wetsuit.
Oh, I see an umbilical cord.
Right?
Where does it lead?
Right.
Where does it
Fuck.
go?
That's a big one. A big cord, anyway.
Oh,
Nope,
what
little
the
tater.
That's weird. Oh no, I got a wood grub here. That's good.
Oh. Sorry to disturb you, sir. We're just ripping up your home. Don't mind us.
Hopefully that's how it's feeding all these things. Oh look, it's earthworm. That's good.
Yeah, no, it definitely looks like something big is eating these. Hi, earthworm. We're friends. Should release the lizard in here to eat all the fucking white flies.
They might be a little too small for his taste. I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea what those lizards eat. I just think they look cool. But their season's probably over now. It's probably too cold for them.
For the lizards?
Yeah, the anoles.
Probably wrapping up. Oh, I see another one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's all...
Ah, womp womp.
Oh, it's not lost until they completely rot, though.
Yeah, it's true. Tiny taters.
Torn up though. Oh, wait.
There we go.
Here, this one's
Yeah,
good.
there we go. There's a pretty potato. Oh, wait. Is that guy good?
No, he's all rotted.
Oh, damn.
They're smushy.
Okay, yeah, it was hard to tell.
They put him in the stuff.
Yeah, he's
gross.
yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Bastards.
I swear they could have had a courtesy just to eat the little ones.
Right? We would share those. Greedy little rats.
I think I need to go to war with them next year.
Yeah. That we just gotta start breeding that, catch the hawk, catch a second, start a captive hawk breeding program specific to our yard. Fucking flies, man. Taters! There's a couple on that one.
There we go.
Yay! Almost. Oh, there's one.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch here.
Yeah. Yay!
I like when I pull up and just a string of them pop out of the ground.
Yeah, it looks like the rodents mostly get to the ones around the edges. The ones in the middle seem to be protected.
Yeah.
I think I see one more in that line.
Here?
No, up, back, on the top there. Hard to tell once it moves. Never mind, it's
I'll
fine.
get to it.
We'll find it when we pull all the vines out. It could be a leaf too. It's hard to tell from where I'm standing.
There's another one.
Yeah! Them's a pretty tater. That's a nice color red.
Yeah, right? It's fresh out of the ground. They're so much more brighter than they're at the store.
Yeah, after they've been oxidized, being in and out of freezers for who knows how long. Oh, I
Shaken.
thought that was going to be a lot bigger.
I'll need to move my camera in a minute.
Sure.
You can actually, can you just push it down a little on the handle?
Yeah.
I'll tell you when to stop. I can kind of eyeball it.
Just like this?
Yeah, keep going. All right, stop. That's good.
Yeah! Oh.
Oh.
Oh, what a fucking cock tease.
Damn.
Alright, so much for my ones in the middle are safe
I
theory.
don't know if a single one was good there.
No, looks like they just had a goddamn smorgasbord.
Yeah. We still win though.
Yeah, we've got almost 3 buckets of sweet potatoes, so. Still though, principle of the matter.
Yeah. Oh, the strawberries have made it in here.
Strawberries go everywhere. None shall stop their reign.
Not even sweet potatoes, it would seem.
You think they don't even need sunlight? Nope, I'm growing. Get out of my way. I thought the sweet potatoes were going to actually choke them out, but that was foolish and naive of me. Yeah.
Got a couple more little ones.
Alright. Almost ready for a new bucket.
Yeah.
Oh.
Looks like a clump of dirt. What the hell happened to that?
Right?
That's
They ate the
disgusting.
fuck out of it.
That's fucking nasty.
They like ate the whole outside and the dirt is clumping on the inner flesh.
Hell no.
Oh man. Eaten.
Inside. We'll pick out the ones that are salvageable later.
Yeah. see a big pile of them.
Yeah.
Afraid to get my hopes up too early. Some of those look okay, I think maybe.
No.
Oh,
No, not a
damn
single
it.
one.
Damn it! Alright, well, at least we got 3 buckets, but we would have had like 5 buckets at this point.
Right. Word has spread from far and round to come here to eat sweet potatoes.
Alright, this is the fucking yard to be at, bro. There's no horrible poisons, there's plenty of sweet potatoes. I do, I see the strawberries down there. Damn it.
This one's salvageable.
Alright, good. I'm gonna get another bucket, but I'm doing so tentatively because I don't want to jinx us. But this bucket is full.
Okay.
Ugh.
Sucks.
Damn it. Hopefully at least we can replant a lot of these.
Yeah, hopefully it'll just heal over those be really ugly potatoes, which
Yeah.
don't matter because they're gonna go on the ground.
And next year we just gotta get more belligerent about killing these fucking chipmunks, which is what's probably eating them. Actually, I don't know. Let's look up what eats sweet potato.
Yeah. I've seen them right on the bed here, so I think it is.
Yeah, I've seen rabbits over here too.
I haven't. I've seen them in the confray.
I haven't seen them recently, but I have seen them in this area before.
I've seen them in the confray.
Yeah.
Man, it's like 50-50.
Right? Fucking fuckers. I see some poking out of the ground over there.
Yeah, in that corner, I'm trying to get to it.
Yeah.
Oh no, both sides have been eaten.
Ugh.
I wouldn't fuck with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, just the top spin, so it's probably fine.
Yeah, right. Those look okay.
No.
Ah.
Turn to one side. This one's okay.
Right? What a fucking tease, man.
It's okay. I still see like some big clusters here. You never know.
I know, but...
Oh, maybe this is the potato heart.
Oh, wow. It's loopy this year.
That's crazy.
Looks like he might be eaten, though.
Yeah, he's very much eaten. So maybe he'll become like, you know, seed potatoes next year.
Yeah.
This one looks good.
Yeah.
Woo!
Alright.
keeper.
Yay!
Alright, I'm gonna kind of walk it. Alright, go.
Yeah.
That one good?
Equip him? Or, wait, is he eating?
Yeah, at the bottom. Between all those, I mean, those will make good
seeds for next year, yeah.
Half of them are probably going to rot, and then that'll leave me just as many as I need.
Yeah, oh. So Earthworm. I'll help you, friend. Oh, no, you got it. You figured it out. There you go. You get back in that dirt, boy.
A worm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was flopping around like he was all stuck and I was going to help him, but he figured it out. He got back on that dirt. And I see him digging. Dig. You aerate that soil, Earthworm. You're very important to our ecosystem. There he goes. He disappear into the earth. Okay, sorry.
Alright, now we're done, I think. I think this is about all we're going to get.
Alright, only 3.5 measly buckets of potatoes.
Shit, this would have been like $20, $30 at the store at least.
Right, organic. Technically not certified, so, but still.
Yeah. Grab the camera and pan it around.
The carnage? The carnage potatoes? The salvage potatoes.
Well, out of about half of them we pulled up, half of them were torn up by rodents or something. It's unfortunate because last year we had like probably an 80-95% success rate. This year, I guess word spread that there's delicious tubers in my garden. But let me at least show you which ones that were at least going to be successful. And nonetheless, the ones that will survive can probably be used for seed potatoes next year to start new ones. So I might do a little cleanup here on some of them. Some of them are probably too far gone, but some of them are going to heal up and they'll be really ugly, but they'll work just fine for using them as seed potatoes. On here we have all of our intact potatoes. I mean, a couple of them have like a hole on the back of them, but it's really not too bad. They're pretty dirty. We're gonna have to wash all these. But in general, I mean, we still got a few pounds of potatoes, that's for sure. Just have to figure out how to deal with the rodent problem. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go get cleaned up. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.